Today, using AI, we are going to create videos like this in just a single click. You only need to give a video idea, and this free AI video generator will handle everything else automatically. It will generate the full story of your video, divide it into scenes, create high-quality cinematic images, videos, voiceover, transitions, editing, literally everything on its own. You don't even need to write prompts. Sounds magical, right? So, hello friends! Are you excited to see this powerful AI tool? Then let's begin. But before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and tell me in the comments how you like this tool. The name of this tool is Focal AI. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on it, enter your email ID, and log in. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here, you'll get 3 options. The first option is Idea. If you already have any video idea or story in your mind, simply type it here. And this tool will generate the entire video based on that idea automatically. The second option is Script. If you have already written a script yourself or generated one using ChatGPT, you can paste it here, and the tool will create the full video based on your script. The third option is JSON Prompt. If you already have a JSON prompt, you can paste it here, and the tool will generate the complete video accordingly. For my video, I already generated a script, so I pasted it here. Now click on the plus icon, and you'll get the Upload Media option. If you have stock photos, videos, or reference images you want to use in your video, you can upload them here. And if you don't have anything, no worries at all, because this tool can generate everything by itself. Apart from that, you can select different AI models here. You can choose which model to use for image generation, video generation, and voiceover. There are many models available here, and these 2 are free, so we selected them. You can also choose your preferred language from here. I'm selecting English. Now, press Enter. After a few seconds of analysis, the tool will ask some questions, like what aspect ratio you want. Since we are making a long video, we'll select 16:9. Then we'll turn on Custom Model, so the tool can handle everything automatically. After a few more seconds, the tool will divide your script into multiple scenes automatically. Narration, scenes, and video structure. Everything will be separated properly. Then it will ask for confirmation once. You can choose options according to your preference. I'll click on Yes, Generate, and within seconds, it starts generating high-quality images automatically. At the same time, the video generation process also begins. Now our video has been imported into the editor automatically, and simultaneously the AI voiceover is also being generated. As you can see, the video is now ready. If we click on the video for editing, we get many options here. You can change the model, edit dialogues, adjust video length, and even decide whether you want voiceover in the video or not. Now, click on Audio. From here, you can change dialogues, switch AI voices, and adjust the video according to the narration. You can even delete unnecessary parts easily. From the All Media section, you can change images, videos, sound effects, and voiceover again. You can also add stock images, stock videos, and background music. There are tons of options available here. You can change transitions, add effects, headings, captions, customize colors, sizes, and much more. Finally, from here, you can export your video. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. If you log in for the first time, you'll get 40 free credits. Plus, you get 10 additional credits daily. And if you refer this tool to someone, you'll receive 100 extra credits. Usually, creating one video uses around 20 credits. Isn't this tool amazing? With just one tool, scripting, images, videos, editing, everything gets done in a single click. For more informational AI videos like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.